New at 6 tonight, a camp for people with special needs dealing with the aftermath from the CZU lightning fire and now targeted by thieves. Camp Krem off Highway 236 in Boulder Creek had thousands of dollars worth of equipment stolen. That equipment was going to help rebuild the camp that was nearly destroyed by the fire. Action News 8 reporter Phil Gomez with more from Boulder Creek.
Camp Krem! Today is Monday!
Camp Krem rests on almost 100 acres in the Santa Cruz Mountains. This special nonprofit provides children and adults with mental and physical challenges a place to spend time year-round. 31-year-old Michael McDonough has been coming to camp since he was 8 years old.
Without Camp Krem, we never would have had a place for Michael to be Michael.
The CZU fire destroyed all but one of 31 structures here, and if that wasn't bad enough, thieves kicked them when they were down by stealing a generator valued between $15,000 and $20,000. 5 of the nonprofit vans were also vandalized.
You know, we're sort of on our knees now and bleeding badly, and we're just struggling to our feet, and then someone comes and kicks us in the back. So that we didn't need that emotionally.
The gas lines were cut, windows broken out, and one of the doors was pried open on one of the vans. The camp already has qualified for FEMA funding, but they must take out a $2 million loan and pay 25% of the rebuilding. Now, a senseless crime compounds the struggle.
It's pretty daunting. We're going to have to raise the $2 million, and then we also have to cover 25% of whatever FEMA covers.
The camp will rebuild, but that could take between 2 and 5 years.
It's a sad thing, but it's human nature. The jackals come out when there's fresh meat to be eaten.
While old memories went up in flames, the focus now is rebuilding and creating new ones. In Boulder Creek, Phil Gomez, KSBW, Action News 8.